Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by lowering the window fully to access the top edge and reduce tension on the regulator. Use a flat trim tool to pry out 3 plastic clips and remove 1 Phillips screw by the door pull. This process takes about 10 minutes on a Nissan Altima. Pull the door panel away from the lip carefully, lift upward to clear the lock tab, and disconnect the electrical connector for power locks and mirror controls. Remove the speaker cover to reveal a 10 mm bolt behind it, and set the panel on a clean towel. With the interior panel removed, peel back the plastic moisture barrier and locate the handle fasteners. Use a 10 mm socket to remove 2 nuts securing the exterior handle and a Torx T20 to remove the retaining screw. Keep hardware in a labeled container. Disconnect the metal rod from the latch by prying out the plastic clip and inspect the handle housing for broken plastic or wear. Pull the old handle assembly out through the access hole, then compare it to the replacement to ensure tabs, clips, and screw. Position the new handle in the door and feed the metal rod into the latch slot, snapping the plastic clip back into place. Hand thread the 2 10 mm nuts and the Torx T20 screw, then tighten the nuts to roughly 6 to 8 ftLb to avoid cracking plastic. Avoid over-torquing. Replace the moisture barrier, reconnect the electrical connector, and reinstall the door panel by aligning the top lip and pressing the 3 clips until they click. Test the handle operation 5 times and verify lock, unlock, and window function before completing the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.